Hi, today we're making him as a keycap. His name is Bloot, short for Absolute, and he has a twin brother named Unit. Unit lives with my boyfriend, but when they're together, they're
an absolute unit.
Back to our subject. We'll need a 360 to examine what we're working with, and an up close to analyze his perpetual state of anger. Meet the supervisors. They'll be overseeing our operation today. So I was actually inspired by this sticker pack, specifically this one with the dogs stacked on top of each other. I think it's really cute and they remind me of a pancake stack. So I'll be making progressively smaller Bloot and units and seeing how tiny I'm willing to make them. So yeah, let's begin. This little plastic square is a template of how big I should make the base, and I also have an escape key to use as a visual size and height reference. So I put them in the oven to solidify and they got a little, toasty? I sanded the sides down a little, and is it just me or does it look like a loaf of bread? Despite my bread comment, this is not a takeout box. It's for the silicone mixture. I've already done a couple of videos with the silicone process, so I'm not going to talk about it too much in this video. Just know I taped the bottoms of the container, mixed what I thought would be enough, and filled them up. But I was sorely mistaken this time, and the amount I made barely covered the top of one of them, so I made another batch. Filled the second box, and topped up the first one. Well, that's it for today's video. The silicone needs 24 hours to cure, and this editor needs a week to edit this video. So I'll see you guys next week for part 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Bye!